In this video, we will share how to use Intrusion Module on Hik-Connect for Team Portal. Click on Intrusion. Import. Select corresponding group and device, then check the area created on the device side or the app side to save. Click Arming Schedule Template to directly use the default template or create a new template as needed. Select different types of arming to draw it. You can also click Erase to modify. Click Add after drawing. Return to Area Management page. Click on the arrows to expand. You can see the previously added peripherals. Select the area and you can set it into Disarm mode or Away Arming mode. You can also set it into Stay Arming mode or use the Clear Alarm function. You can also use the Map function to manage the security control devices. Static Map and GLS Map are both supported. Select an area and map and save. Click Add button to add the area into a static map and drag the zones according to your actual needs. After adjustment, click the right mouse button to complete the drawing. You can also directly adjust the wireless zone, edit or delete it. Click Map Monitoring. You can operate the area directly on the map, like Stay Arming, Away Arming, Disarm or bypass the devices. For online map, click here. Select a target location. Click Add Object. Add Resource. Go to Area and select an area add. Drag the area and click the right mouse button to finish drawing zones. Drag the zones as you need. Back to Map Monitoring. Double-click zones. You can operate the area directly on the GLS map now. Hik-Connect for Team. Connected security, ready to go.